But my dear friends, I need a support from you all people to renovate or to the problems which has arisen in the Kala Academy to be addressed by the advice of you people, and I hope you will support to the government of Goa, because one man cannot be a leader or master in one field. If a team of work solves the problems and get the solution.
If you want to invest a market where there are market, come to India. If you want to invest in a market where there is a latest trend and future are appreciated, come to India. If you want to invest in a startup with a huge market, come to India. And if you want to invest the one of the world's largest infrastructure ecosystem, come to India. And India and Asia's third largest economy is rapidly modernizing its cities, equipping with the latest technology and the citizen-friendly infrastructure which is in India. So it is my sincere request for any investment to come to India.